Rupee depreciation is a crucial concept in economies that reflect the strength of India's currency in the global market. It directly affects trade, inflation, investment, and the daily life of citizens. Let's understand it in a simple yet comprehensive way. What is rupee depreciation? Rupee depreciation refers to a decline in the value of the Indian rupee relative to foreign currencies such as the US dollar or other major global currencies. In simple terms, it means that more rupees are required to purchase one unit of foreign currency. For example, if the exchange rate changes from rupee 90 per US dollar to rupee 95 per US dollar, the rupee has depreciated. Exchange rate system in India. India follows a managed floating exchange rate systems where the value of the Indian rupee is mainly determined by market demand and supply, but the central bank intervenes when necessary. This system provides flexibility while ensuring stability in the currency market. Market-based determination. The exchange rate of the rupee is primarily decided by the forces of demand and supply in the foreign exchange market. Role of Reserve Bank of India. The RBI intervenes by buying or selling foreign currencies, mainly US dollar, to control excessive fluctuations. Managed nature. It is not a completely free floating system as RBI actively manages volatility to avoid sudden shocks. No fixed exchange rate. India does not fix its currency value against any specific foreign currency like the US dollar. Volatility control. RBI steps in during sharp appreciation or depreciation to maintain stability in the economy. Forex reserve management. RBI uses foreign exchange reserves as a tool to influence the exchange rate and ensure liquidity. Flexibility with stability. The system allows the rupee to adjust according to global economic conditions while preventing extreme instability. Protection from external shocks help India deal with global crises such as oil price shocks, financial crisis, or capital outflows. Factors responsible for rupee depreciation. Rupee depreciation occurs due to a combination of domestic economic conditions and global factors. It mainly happens when the demand for foreign currency increases more than the demand for the Indian rupee. Capital outflows, FPI withdrawals. When foreign investors withdraw money from Indian stock and bond markets, demand for foreign currency rises, leading to a fall in the rupee's value. Trade deficit. When imports exceed export, India needs more foreign currency like US dollar to pay more imports, which weakens the rupee. High import dependence. India imports large quantity of crude oil, gold, electronics and machinery, increasing demand for dollars. Rising crude oil prices. Higher global oil prices increases India's import bill, putting pressure on the rupee. High gold imports. Increased gold imports when the current account deficit and reduce the strength of the rupee. Inflation differential. Higher inflation in India compared to other countries reduces purchasing power and makes export less competitive, leading to depreciation. Monetary policy decisions. Lower interest rate or loose monetary policy by the Reserve Bank of India can reduce foreign investment inflows. Forex reserve operations. RBI's buying or selling of foreign currency to manage reserves can influence exchange rate movement. Weak investor confidence. If investors lose confidence in the economy or central bank policies, capital outflows increase, weakening the rupee. Global economic factors. Events like US Federal Reserve rate hikes, geopolitical tensions, or global recession increase demand for safe currencies like the US dollar. Liquidity issues. When short-term foreign liabilities exceed available foreign exchange assets, it creates pressure on the rupee. Impact of rupee depreciation on the economy. Rupee depreciation has a mixed impact on the economy, creating both opportunities and challenges. While it can boost exports and foreign inflows, it also increases inflation and the cost of imports. Positive impact. Boost to export. A weaker rupee makes Indian goods and services cheaper in international markets, increasing demand and improving export performance, especially in sectors like IT, textiles, and pharmaceuticals. Higher remittance inflows. Non-resident Indians and NRIs get more rupees for every dollar sent to India, which increases household income and strengthens foreign exchange inflows. Encouragement to domestic production. Costlier imports push consumers and industries to prefer locally produced goods, supporting domestic industries and initiatives like Make in India improved global competitiveness. Indian companies become more competitive globally as their products are relatively cheaper compared to the other countries. Growth in tourism sector. India becomes a cheaper destination for foreign tourists, increasing tourism revenue and foreign exchange earnings. Negative impact: higher import costs, essential imports like crude oil, electronics, and machinery become expensive, increasing the overall import bill and affecting industries. Imported inflation: rising import costs lead to an increase in prices of goods and services, contributing to overall inflation in the economy. Widening trade and current account deficit: higher cost of imports increases the trade deficit even if import volumes remain unchanged. Increased external debt burden: loans taken in foreign currency become more expensive to repay, increasing financial pressure on companies and the government. Capital outflows and investment risk: continuous depreciation can reduce foreign investor confidence, leading to capital flight and lower foreign investment. Reduce purchasing power: higher prices of imported goods reduce the spending capacity of consumers, affecting overall demand in the economy. Higher production costs: industries dependent on imported raw materials face increased costs which may reduce profits and slow economic growth. Devaluation versus depreciation of currency: devaluation and depreciation both refer to a fall in the value of a currency, but they differ in how and why this fall happens. Devaluation is a deliberate policy action by the government or central bank, while depreciation occurs naturally due to market forces. Devaluation: intentional reduction in currency value by the government or central bank. Depreciation: fall in currency value due to market forces. How can the Indian rupee be strengthened? Strengthening the Indian rupee requires a mix of short-term actions and long-term structural reform. It involves improving economic fundamentals, increasing foreign inflows, and reducing dependence on foreign currencies. Short-term measures: forex market intervention. The Reserve Bank of India can sell US dollar from its reserves to control excessive depreciation and stabilize the rupee. Interest rate hike: increasing interest rate attracts foreign investors seeking better returns, which increases demand for the rupee. Currency swap agreements. Agreements with other countries help ensure liquidity and reduce pressure on foreign exchange reserves. Import control measures. Restricting non-essential imports like gold helps reduce demand for foreign currency. Attract short-term capital flows. Policies to encourage foreign portfolio investment. FPI can support the rupee in the short run. Long-term measures: boost exports. Improving export competitiveness through better quality, innovation, and diversification helps increase foreign exchange earnings. Reduce import dependence. Promote domestic production, especially in sectors like energy, electronics, and defenses to reduce reliance on imports. Promote rupee-based trade. Encourage international trade settlements in INR through mechanisms like special Vostro rupee account, reducing dependence on the US dollar. Strengthen forex reserves. Maintaining high foreign exchange reserves provide a buffer against external shocks and supports currency stability. Attract foreign investment (FDI) and FPI, improving ease of doing business. Stable policies and infrastructure development attract long-term capital inflows. Control inflation. Keeping inflation low ensures better purchasing power and strengthen the rupee over time. Fiscal discipline. Reducing fiscal deficit and maintaining stable government finances improve investor confidence. Develop global market for INR. Promoting offshore trading, masala bonds, and global acceptance of INR increases its demand internationally. Expand digital payment systems. Global expansion of platforms like UPI can enhance the international uses of the rupee.